spooky up there. Also LG. Interesting. Let's go up further. Down escalator. But it's a single file. Oh wow, this is even more creepier. Let's go up again. But this one is Hitachi. Alright, let's go. I think the more going up, the more creepier it gets. We're on the 3rd floor, and this floor is completely blocked. Huh? GoldStar. Interesting. Also GoldStar. Red handrails. Let's go. And the 4th floor. This floor is also blocked. Here it says GoldStar for some reason. This one says Hitachi. Okay, let's go up further. Oh, this handrail is not moving. 5th floor is where the mosque is. Okay, I think we're finished off here. Notice how it has a different pattern though. Look at that. Also says Hitachi. Okay, let's go down, I think. Yeah, this is where the mosque is, the 5th floor. It says exit there. Wow, this is quite interesting. Very interesting. Again, look how it has a different pattern up here. Yet again, it says Hitachi. And look at that handrail. Wow. Sketchy. Right, here we go. This floor is creepy. There's the up escalator. I mean, really, quite creepy. Again, the 4th floor is completely blocked. GoldStar, GoldStar, GoldStar. GoldStar / Hitachi / LG. Interesting combination here. Although they share the same design though, due to a technical partnership back then. Yeah, I mean, GoldStar had a technical partnership with Hitachi back in the 70s, 80s. Well, Hitachi there. Look how narrow the space is. Wow. Sorry about the wide view, but I'll give you a better look of how quite narrow this escalator is. It's single file though. Creepy. Hitachi yet again. Black handrail here, but red handrail there. And notice how it's not actually double file. It's still single file though. Creepy though. Really. Oh, chairs stack up here. And finally, the ground floor. Oh wait, there's one more floor below. So it's not completely the end. So this floor is still open. To Hitachi. A bunch of handicrafts there, yeah. Indonesian handicrafts. I think still one more floor below. Notice it says G and 1. Huh, interesting. There's some more escalators there. Maybe I will check it out later if I have time, hopefully. Now this says GoldStar, but here it says Hitachi. Yeah, very interesting escalator setup here. I'm not gonna lie. So this is definitely worth the film. And here we are at the ground floor. Well, 7 minutes long. Can't believe it. So we will finish off here. The final look of the escalator. That's it.